The Biafra resistance fighters say they don't catch one spy yo. When Nigeria army send, come they work with them, and some there is one of their also member for inside the camp. According to them, they say that this spy now they don't turn them to crayfish as they take talk. Now I can say, hey, this one don't read though. But however, we will go find out how this thing take they happen. However, we'll go find out how this thing take they happen. Welcome back to Balabas Gist, my people. If today the first time when they come across this channel, you are highly welcome. Remember, say would they here they bring up depth of things where they happen for inside Biafra, for inside Nigeria, and for inside Africa, everywhere. Now there would they bring you information back to back as it hot. They say that the Biafra resistance fighter liberation army, he said they don't catch your one spy away where they work out for all their camp. They say some of them they even work with them. They carry some information. They give Nigeria army where they come in. No be smart, you know. As we they talk, they say don't read for those people. As it takes sham and talk for this video. Please watch this video from beginning to end, and you understand what thing they go on. I'll go leave you. May you watch the video and we'll come back. Come continue.
Body, you can never win us. So we have gathered them. We have gathered them. Okay? All your eyes in the midst of us, we have gathered them. And many of them have run away. But those important ones, which you know, that I know, that we know. The hands of Chukwu Kikabiama have touched them. And that is the reason you are tired. You are no longer approaching. Because no eye again, no information again. You are just as blind as somebody that have never seen road for many years. Have you seen what this war does to us? This war have also exposed so many villagers that have, because of position promise and the money promised by hope, try to sell out this struggle. But as they do not know that Biafra is greater than individual. Individual does not own Biafra. Biafra can never be owned by individual. Biafra can never be owned by a community. It is collectiveness, indigenous people. Okay? So, and that is why you see the struggle is bigger than everybody. To this idiot, he's thinking that it is an Igbo cause. Idiot, you think Biafra is an Igbo cause? Leave Igbo land, leave Igbo land. Go to Calabar, leave Igbo land, go to Calabar. You see why it's bigger than you? Because Biafra is not just an Igbo. Igbo is just a tribe in Biafra land. Calabar is a tribe in Biafra land. Ison is a tribe in Biafra land. Ekwere is a tribe in Biafra land. Ibibio is a tribe in Biafra land. Okay? That is why Biafra is bigger than individual. Biafra is bigger than a village. Biafra is bigger than you. And that is why our ancestors will destroy you beyond repair. Yes. Our ancestors will destroy you beyond repair. And as I told you, the more you try, the more you will fall. The harder you will try, the harder you will fall. Because Biafra is greater than you. And there is nothing you can do. So, Hope has developed a new tactics now. Meeting some villagers, paying them huge amounts of money to sabotage the effort in our land. But let me tell you, if you are among them, just bear in mind that many of you don't go down. If you are among them, bear it in mind that you can never survive. Before you think of selling this struggle, I want you to remember people. I'm going to mention people for you now. Starting from Owazirike, how is his life now? He saw the struggle. How is it? Uche Mofo, how is it? Josh Oyibe, how is it? Enemy, how is it? Ima Powerful, how is his life? And so many of them.
They never know what is coming for them.
But it's terrifying, Jofo. How is their life? When you sell your soul to the devil, don't beg for forgiveness when the devil comes to take your soul from you. When the devil comes to take your soul from you, don't complain, don't beg. Because definitely, you are a living death, a corpse walking. You must surely die. Untimely death is waiting for you. Ask question. Because definitely, you can't stop Biafra. Not even your million type can stop Biafra. If you like, go and carry the whole money in this war, buy war instrument, and bring it. Gather the powerful war. That is the strongest men on earth to come and fight this war. You are still going to lose at the end. You will still lose at the end. Nothing can change that. Well, when we tell you that Biafra or Biafra, we mean it. You can't bribe us. You cannot stop us. Today is 12 days. This is 7 minutes to the hours of 11 o'clock. And then today is Thursday, 22 February 2024. We are still waiting for you to come and put your more effort. How many souls have you wasted so far? How many souls have you wasted? You see that one where we just take try. That thing where we just take try your armor town, where condemn, catch fire. Now just experiment where we do. We just do that experiment. Same way we test first. And you don't see how the armor tank are condemned, catch fire. We are going to give you what we call the devil mission. The devil mission. Okay? I've told you, we have come to restore Biafra. And Biafra is what we will restore. We cannot go anywhere. We cannot move an inch. We see the Osumowo. We are still in the same forest that you know. You never even enter. You never even... your leg, your footstep, not even step in an inch. You are seeing the market too. You never move to say, see the forest. You know the forest, but enter now. You know the forest, enter the forest now. You dey fear upon your juju where you carry come. Upon all the juju where you carry come. Enter the forest now. Why you dey fear to enter? Shey you come to drive us come up for the forest. Don't worry, we are, you know as we dey play now. You know how we dey play. You know how we dey play. You know wetin you dey see, but you cannot talk, abi? Very soon I will begin to make your video. And it's just that Facebook no dey gree me. Maybe I would like to go live one of these days with the way you dey cry like baby. Some of your colleagues never run. They don't run now. They don't run. Now only the few criminal. Where are your machinery? They never go. Your machinery don't run go now. Few will remain, then don't run go now. The few machinery will remain, then don't tear it. Say no. This one we cannot fetch them. We cannot. They are so diabolic. They are so diabolic. They are so diabolic. Are we diabolic? No. Waiting you sow, now you dey reap. Waiting you sow, now you dey reap. You came to the land with debt. Debt they pay you visit. You they cry. Your machinery they cry, they run. Say these people are so diabolic. We cannot. This is not what we bargained for. Only few. Those criminal call a bubaku. Those criminal Fulani. Few still remain. And you are talking nonsense. Come and enter forest now. Say now your grandpapa dey for forest. Now your mama dey forest. Or now them plant the tree where they will grow for the forest. Abi? You're supposed to be ashamed of yourself. Upon all the bomb you throw inside the forest, not even single leaf were born. Not even single leaf. You throw bomb up. If they calculate the bomb you throw in these 12 days of war, it passed 50. If they throw in one particular place, in Osumowo, in Osu forest, you throw more than 50 bomb and the place see they leaf see they no even leaf, dry leaf were born. The place see the flesh. You know, no say you're born and fertilizer to the tree and the leaf. Your stupid mind no tell you say that bomb where you they throw and fertilizer to all the tree where they here. Idiot. We know they go anywhere, but as I've told you the two things this war does to us, let me tell you the final thing that this war will do to us. At the end of this war, we are going to chase you. We are going to pursue you. Wherever you stop, we stay there and make it a battlefield. We will pursue you. If you run enter Lagos, we enter Lagos. If you run enter Abuja, we enter Abuja. You see this war, we go fight reach the end of your running. So that is another beautiful thing this war is about to do. Since we dey forest, they tell you, leave our territory. You say, no, we are coming out. You will see us in the streets. You will see us in the government house. You will see us in your prison, in your barrack. You will see us everywhere. I hope you are ready. It's always my question. No?
Government, are you ready?
I hope you are ready. Because we are coming out. So. We are coming out. So. And you know how our coming when we used to do protests, you know how our protests they did. One person just come out, carry flag, carry bottle, knock, but I think the worker people they join them. I think the worker people they join them. Before you know, from 1 person to 10, from 10 to 100, from 100 to 1,000, from 1,000 to uncountable. You know I seen they be. Now, very few days. Immediately we fall out. Every young man and woman of Biafra will follow us. I hope you are ready. I'm just telling you what is about to happen. You know us, we will tell you what is about to happen in advance. So that when it eventually happens, you will see it and it will swallow you. I believe you are prepared.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. No be small thing, no say, don't hear them. Now so you be. But however, we see they here, they bring you update as it they hot. Our own now to bring you the update. And your own also to share the video. And leave your own opinion for inside comment section as it they hot. Mas no onye gburu nwanne gburu kwenu mmadụ ya woka gburu ilili. So if you are one of the people where they waka to buy your own brother, whoop aka one offer before waka mad. For those where they say their own brothers, they give heart, whoop aka one offer before braka mad. My people, share this video, you get why, and make sure say they follow this channel for more updates. We'll see you for the next update as it hot.